Hello guys and happy new year. Today I'm here with the Ipsy Glam bag. Oh look, my leg got in there. January package. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is like the original beauty subscription. They do send this to me for review, so they I'm not affiliated with them in any other way though. This is just my opinions on it. They send it to me and I show it to you guys. So if you're not familiar with this package, it has 5 beauty samples in a little cute bag every month. Henry wants to join us. Say hi, Henry. Say hi. He's out of here. He's like, no, thanks, lady. He's gonna get in the box. See the box? See my dirty laundry over there? Oh, get that off camera. Reality. Anyway, so this is $12 a month. It's in this cute little bag. I really do love this. There is also the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25, and you do get to select one of the items. But this is a great way to start out. This bag is fuzzy. It has a cute pink zipper pull and a bright green top part. Woo! What else is in there? Oh man, there's one more item in there. All right. So inside we have, ooh, this is a makeup brush. So this is from Half Caked. I know this because I looked at it before. So this is their crease brush, so you can get in your crease there. Soft bristles, pretty color. Like, I guess you can't really tell because this is kind of messing with my eyes. It's probably messing with your eyes. This is like a lavender color. And then the ferrule is like a rose gold, I want to say. It's cute, right? I think it's cute. All right, nice little item. We also have, sorry about all this hair. This is all, as you can imagine, little Henry Suaves. Right, Henry? Right, Henry? Right? All right, so first up we have the Dew of the Gods Feels Mini Squalene and Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. That's a microderm abrasion. I'm going to have to look at the fine print here to make sure there's no hyaluronic acid in it. But so far, every product I've used from these guys is really great and I really like it. So I'm excited for this. All right, then we have, this is from Reina Rebelled. This, Reina, I have trouble saying that. This is the Rebel Eye Definer Pencil. So here it is on, it is a little, I'm gonna say, I don't know that I love it, but we'll see how it is at the end of the video. If it like kind of gets a little easier to, I don't know. All right, next up we have the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. I have to say I really love this. It goes on so pretty and easy. It's just a nice base layer. You can put things on top of it and really make that color pop and make it very unique. But the base color is just a standard rosy red, very pretty. Very spring, like I think florals and like, I don't know, it's beautiful. I do like it. It has that like just flush tone to it. I think it's really pretty. And the final item in my package is from Ariza Beauty. This is the Nebula Shimmer Eyeshadow. This is a little mini quad. Has these 4 colors. I have not seen them yet, so. Oh, those are pretty. Let me swatch them for you guys. So I'm gonna be honest, these are really beautiful. I love this top one. I know like you hear a lot of like beauty gurus saying like shimmers are so easy to make and mattes are so much harder, but a beautiful shimmer is a beautiful shimmer, and this is a beautiful shimmer. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that. I will definitely use that eyeshadow. It's beautiful. I do like the other colors as well, but that one in particular, just very standout and gorgeous. All right, so for your $12 spend, you get your mini microdermabrasion scrub from Dew of the Gods. You get your Half Caked crease brush, the NARS lip pencil, beautiful, loved it. The Reina Rebelled, I keep saying Rebel Rebelled, eyeliner. Let's see if that, so I rubbed all over it and it kind of stayed put. I just don't like that it kind of got that like hazy look to it, like weird, right? And then finally is the Ariza Little Quad with the 4 colors. I think it's beautiful. Do like it a lot. So it's a great buy for 12 bucks. it's a good deal. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful new year. Bye.